What's up guys, my name is David and today I will tell you if it's possible or not to retrieve a sent email that you sent already. Well, it is possible, but only within a couple of seconds. And what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you as an example. Let's compose a new email and I will send it to one of my emails which I don't care about. So is this my my AOL email address? It's W. Okay, and at subject line let's insert test email and let's copy that, and this will be the description. Let's just send it. What if we forgot to attach an attachment or an image, or maybe you just did a mistake, you remember? Well, don't panic, because you have an undo button right here, and if you press on that, you can recall the email within a period of time. And as you can see, is the email exactly as it was before I sent it, with the description and the test. And now we can basically retype or correct the mistake which we did earlier. And if you're wondering how can we increase that duration, well, actually we'll have to reach settings of the Gmail. You have a gear icon in the top right corner. Let's hit that and press on see all settings, and we have to go to the general, and here we can find the setting undo send, and send cancellation period up to 30 seconds. This is the maximum period that you can have. You can have 5, 10, 20 and 30 seconds. But if unfortunately if more than 30 seconds passed, or depends on what period you had set and you didn't press on undo, unfortunately I don't know if there is something else what you can do. But you can increase the duration, so the next time you will make a mistake, you know what to do. You'll just have to press on that undo button. Now guys, if I help you with this tutorial, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a question right under this video in the comment section if you have any. Thank you all for watching, and I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can possibly have.